Hi everyone, so I've got my new housing savings binder and I've worked out my goals for my savings challenges. So we are going to get this all set up, ready for me to start depositing from payday, which is next Friday. So appliances is getting £1,000 Toto, which works out £50 in each icon. Then we've got my sofa savings challenge. Total value would be £900 for the icons being £50. So that one will go in there. And we've got my DIY savings challenge. The total save will be £500, which equals £25 per icon. Kitchen savings challenge. This would be for small accessories and pots and pans. Total save will be £500. Each icon will equal £20. Then we've got the bedroom savings challenge. This would be mainly for just the bed. So we're going for a total save of £450, which will equal £30 per icon. The lounge savings challenge. This is going to equal £400 with a £20 icon value. This will be just for the smaller accessories and furniture for the lounge. And then we've got the dining savings challenge. This will equal £300 Toto, which will be £15 for each icon. Then we have got the bathroom savings challenge. This will equal £300 in Toto, £15 per icon. And then lastly, we have the garden savings challenge. We're going for £200 total save to begin with, so £10 per icon to save towards. We have month ahead. We'll start using this when we know more about what the bills will look like when we get closer to that stage. That's my housing binder all set up. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.